Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the simple mode or the easy mode at the Huawei P Smart in the version of 2019. So first of all, let me tell you that you will become much bigger icons and also a bigger text size. It is if you have problems with your eyes or if you are brand new with that smartphone, or if it's your first smartphone, then it's always good to work with the simple mode. So let me show you how you can enable it. So go to the settings, then you scroll down to the last point, system, tap it, and now we need the simple mode, tap it, and here we have an example already. So just go and apply, and now we will have the simple mode. So as you can see, much bigger icons, a better overview, much more large text size, and yeah, and you have also other pages and so on with all your apps, etc. And yeah, it's a nice overview. And also, if you are going to the settings, you just have the most important settings, like if you want to change the text size, the mobile data, or to enable or off the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, to regulate the sound, and so on and so on. So it is just it's a very, very nice simple mode to concentrate on the main things what starters needs the most. Yeah, if you want to have more settings and so on, just go in the buttons and you have here the regular settings, and if you want to come back, just use the arrow as usual. And yeah, here you have also the opportunity, if you feel ready to go back to the regular mode, then go here on exit simple mode if you want to have more icons in a line and so on and so on. As you can see, now we have not just only 3, we have 5, but everything becomes a bit more tiny. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and show you something new. Yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs. Would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. And yeah, or you can subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.